Now we are going to start the chapter 2. The name of the chapter 2 is linear equation is with one variable. Okay.
In one variable.
Right. So we will do with the help of this Sarthi sharing the screen. I hope everyone are able to see the chapter now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Yes, ma'am.
So I think you have started this one whole chapter. Linear equations in one variable. So here x, y, and z. That is your linear. That is your variable. Okay. That we have learned in the last year also. Linear equation means that is only one variable. That is L. मतलब x, y, z, a, b, c. Whatever you want to choose from the alphabet. Now two things is there. When we can say it is an equation, so if there is a is equal to sign is there, then we can say that is it a equation. If is equal to sign is not there, we cannot consider as a linear equation. Okay. So is equal to sign shows that that is the equation. Now two things are there. Left hand side we are calling as a LHS. So 2x and 3 would be your LHS, and here 7 is called as your RHS. Both should be the equal only. Okay, clearly. Now that is left hand side. Yes. Speak now.
What, ma'am?
Do you have any query? Then speak.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So,
No, ma'am.
we have to compare these LHS and the RHS, and we have to find it out the value of variable. So directly we are going to start the exercise 2.1. Okay. Now we will solve all the sums from the exercise and from the workbook. Hold the exercise 2.1, which is there in your workbook. That would be your homework. It is same as here. 9 sum are there. So in workbook also 9 sum are there. So all the sums are photocopy of this exercise 2.1. Only digits are changed. So you have to solve as we have solved now. Okay. Now we are going for the first number. Okay. What is our first question? X minus 2 is first question. X minus 2 is equal to 7. I hope everyone can look at the board also.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes,
ma'am.
What is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Here x minus 3 is equal to 7 is there. So next step is that you have to put here therefore sign. 3 dots therefore sign. Okay. Now every time you have to make the variable alone and try that variable should come on the left hand side only. So it is on left hand side only. So x will remain as it is. Now is equal to 7 is there. Now this 2 will go to the another side. So if we are changing the side of any number, minus converted into the plus, plus converted into the minus, division converted into the multiplication, and
Your voice is not clear.
Your voice is not clear.
Clear.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
might be that is not problem because there is no problem over here only. Okay. So here minus 2 is there. If we are changing the sign of this minus 2, here will become the plus 2. Okay. So you will get it. Therefore, you will get x is equal to 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Whenever you are going to get this answer, you have to put the box on that answer. Is it clear to everyone now?
Yes.
Yes,
Ma'am, this is linear equation.
This is a linear means this is the example of this linear equation only. You can understand now. Expression is there, variable is there, constant is there. That is called as a linear equation only. Having the only one variable.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now second sum. What is our second sum? That is given y plus is equal to 10. Y plus c is equal to 10. So here becomes therefore sign.
Ma'am, y is equal to Y is equal to 10
10
plus
minus
3
another side.
plus 3
Just
plus 3.
understand first and do as a homework.
Yes.
Workbook only. Okay, beta. So these three will
Okay,
go on
ma'am.
other side. Here plus is there. So if we are going to change
Minus.
sign, it will become minus.
Minus.
You will get y is equal to plus 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Same sum are there in a workbook. Try to join it.
Okay, ma'am.
I hope you have done this sum. Workbook also keep with you only.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, in third number, 6 is equal to Z plus 2.
I am writing that. First, I am going to immediately first and second both. I hope you have done. Third is 6 is equal to t plus 2. So here variable, sorry, z is here. Variable is on right hand side. So try to write in the left hand side. So we are changing the side. So we can write z plus 2 is equal to 6. Left hand side पे आ गया variable. Just like this you have
Yes.
to write. Now z will alone. Who will go that side? Become what? 6 minus 2 plus convert into the minus. You will get z is equal to 4. That is the answer. Yes.
Z is equal to 4. Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Now fourth question. Now fourth question. 3 upon 7 plus x is equal to 17 upon 7.
17.
Okay, that is our question. Now we have to find out the variable. So what will become? X is equal to 17 upon 7. Now we are going to change the sign of this plus 3 upon 7. So what it will become?
Minus 3 by 7.
Minus.
7. Now denominator is same. So no need to take the LCM.
Yes.
X is 7, 17 minus 3. So what will become? X is equal to 17 minus 3 is equal to
14.
14 upon 7. Now in 7 table 14 will
2.
come. You can write 7
2.
14.
2.
So you will get X
Yes.
is equal to 2 only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now fifth number. 6x is equal to 12.
मैम इसमें डिवाइड होगा ना?
It is multiplication. So we will go for the division. So what will become?
Ma'am, what is the answer?
X is equal to 12 by 6.
वो न्यूमरेटर में है
12
we are going to add the denominator तो नीचे जाएगा 6 so again 6 to the 12 you will get x is equal to 2 only
2.
now 6 number
Yeah.
3 upon 5 is equal to 10 right
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, इसमें 5 multiplication में जाएगा.
हाँ. T is equal to 10 into 5.
done so t is equal to 10 if we will go into the multiplication 5 so we will get t is
Ma'am,
equal
T is equal to 50 आएगा.
yes that
T
is
is
the
equal
answer
to 50.
T.
okay
Yes, ma'am.
so now going for 7th number what is 7 2x upon 3 is equal to 18 yes so you can write 2x
Yes.
ये 3 को हटा देते हो तो क्या होगा 18 into 3 right now we are removing the 2 also So what will become 18 multiplied by 3 divided by 2?
Yes, ma'am.
गया ऊपर वाला नीचे गया in short like that way. Clear? Now 2 9
X is equal to 27.
18. 2 9 का 18.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so 9 is the 27.
27.
Would be your
27.
yes.
Yes, ma'am. Answer is X is equal to 27.
27.
Done.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
take a number. 1.6 is equal to y upon 1.5. So again we want y on the left side. So what we will write? Y upon 1.5 is equal to
0.5.
6. मैंने खाली
Ma'am,
Yes.
1 multiplication हो जाएगा.
हाँ rearrange the terms only. So what will become? Y is equal to this in the denominator into the multiplication.
1.6 into 1.5.
बोलो
मैम आपने 1.6 इक्वल्स टू y लिखा है कि 4 लिखा है?
बेटा 1.6 is equal to y upon 1.5. It is 5 only, clear you can see. Now just change the side. Y will become this side and this will go that side. Okay, intern in the side only.
Okay, ma'am.
That is what become 1.6 multiplied by 1.5. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Right now, therefore you can write 16 upon 10 into 15 upon 10. What we will do? Just use the decimal by putting in the denominator 10. Okay. Now what you will do? 15.
Multiply both with same denominator.
5 to the
Yes, ma'am.
10.
Multiply.
2 is the 16. Right? So what is remaining? Y is equal to 8 is the 24 upon 10. So y you will get is equal to 2.4.
0.4. Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
बड़ी मम्मा आप दिख रहे हो वीडियो में सामने ही हो देखो आप ये रहे
Okay, now moving
Someone's mic.
Ma'am, someone.
And someone mic is on.
So here what will come? 7x is there. Here 16. This will go on other side. Become what? Plus 9. So you will get 7x is equal to 16 plus 9 is equal to 16 plus 9 is
22.
equal to 25.
27.
25. 25.
You will get x is equal to 25. It is in numerator. It will go in the denominator. So 25 upon
Yes,
7. And if you want to convert into the mixed fraction, so what will become? 7 is 21. Right? And 4. So 3 into 4 by 7 would be your answer in a mixed fraction.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So like this way we have
Yes,
completed. Like this way we have completed our
Ma'am, in next page 10, 11, 12 is homework.
on next page it is there. Then we are doing
Yes.
that.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't worry, we will do the whole exercise. And the one more exercise would be your homework.
Okay.
One exercise I have to solve, and another you have to solve. Tell me. Now 10th number. What is the question? 45 minus 8 is equal to 30. Right? So what will become? 45 is equal to 30 plus 8. So 14 by
Ma'am, divided by
क्या बेटा?
21.
21. Okay. So
Yes.
y is equal to 21 by 40. Both will come in 7 table.
2 by 3.
Yes, ma'am.
7 3 da. So answer would be 3 by 2.
3
3
by 2.
upon
Yeah.
2 into 1 1.
by 2.
3 by 2.
Is it clear to everyone now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, is it necessary to convert improper fraction into
हाँ.
mixed fraction?
See, we don't know where how we have to write answer in a which type. So convert it into the mixed fraction. Whenever possible, try to convert into mixed fraction only.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. It will just take
Okay.
2 or 3 minutes or nothing more than that. 17. Next question. 6q is equal to 9. That is our next question.
मैम
Yes.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 में 17 प्लस 6 9 है।
P.
6 p है
6P.
q की जगह
P.
6p।
Chaliye. Now 6p is equal to 9 minus 17. This 17 will go into another side. Become
Yes.
minus. So
8.
6p is equal to 17 minus 9 करिए.
8 minus 8
8. What bigger number has which is minus.
minus
Okay. So become p is equal to minus 8 upon 6. Both will come in
minus 4 by 3.
Minus 4 by 3. Yes, ma'am.
answer would be
Plus
p is
4
equal
by
to
3.
minus 4 upon 3, or you can write minus 311.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next question, 12th number.
X.
I hope everyone is getting. समझ में सबको
Yes.
आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We understood properly.
Plus 1 is
Yes,
equal
ma'am.
to 7 upon 15. Okay, that is our question. Now we are going to solve it. What will happen? 1 will go into the other side. So x upon 3 is equal to 7 upon 50. This will go into the other side. Become what? Minus 1 upon 1. Now you have to take the LCM. What would be the LCM? X upon 3 is equal to 15 is the LCM. 15 and 1.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
LCM would be 15. So here we have multiplied with 1 and here by 15.
15.
15.
7 ones are 7 minus 15
7
ones are
minus 15.
Same.
x upon 3 is equal to what is the subtraction? 15 minus 7 is equal to
8 by 15.
8 by 15.
8 by 15. These three will
X is equal to
multiplication
minus
will
8 by
become
15.
x is equal to minus 8 upon 15
A minus 8
multiplied
upon
by
15. 3.
3. Then 3
Cancel out.
5 are 15, right?
3 pies.
Minus 8 upon 5.
5.
5.
Or you can write
Next fraction.
5
5.
on the 5 and 3 8. Minus
Yes, ma'am.
3 upon 5. I hope everyone has understood this exercise 2.1.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, so there is a homework that you will complete. Exercise 2.1 in your workbook, which is on page number 7 and 8. 10 sum are given.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम
हाँ, बोलिए बेटा.
मैम आप पीडीएफ भेजोगे?
अभी नहीं भेजूंगी. At the end of this chapter, I will send the PDF of whole chapter. Homework.
ओके मैम.
Not half. Okay, till that you have to try it yourself only. On Saturday, I will send the whole PDF of this chapter.
Okay, ma'am.
चलिए.
मैम
Now we have.
मैथ्स की टेक्स्ट बुक कब आएगी?
हाँ?
मैथ्स की टेक्स्ट बुक कब आएगी?
Do you have ना सारथी app?
मैम we have maths textbook. हाँ मैम. हमारे पास सारथी की तो है पर मैथ्स की टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं है. मैम आ गई है मैथ्स की टेक्स्ट बुक तो.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Absolutely.
Done. We are moving ahead with the next exercise.
मैम हमारी दूसरी लिंक आ गई।
दूसरी लिंक आ
अभी
गई।
कहाँ आएगी? अभी नहीं आएगी मैम, नहीं
इट्स नॉट
आएगी।
अ सेकंड लिंक। आपको प्रीवियस
मैम इट्स
ये
नॉट
तो थर्ड पीरियड है ना
इट इज अ यूट्यूब लिंक। ओके बेटा।
मैम, ये तो थर्ड पीरियड
हाँ
है।
चलिए नाउ ओके
It is recorded video that ma'am has sent it.
चलिए you are disturbing the whole class. Now we are moving ahead to the next class. Next one. Some application. Now in the first exercise 2.1 we have given in the linear form. Now we have to make the linear form and then we have to solve it. Okay, like a word problems are given to us. So we are directly moving on our exercise 2.2. Many sums are there. Okay, so we have to move it little bit fast. Okay everyone.
Okay ma'am.
Chaliye. Now exercise 2.2. First question is that try to understand. I will make the linear equation. If you subtract 1/2 from a number, so we have to first write down. Suppose a number is x, number b x. You are assuming the number, that number should be x only. Okay, so what you are doing, you are subtracting 1/2 from a number. So x minus 1/2 happen and multiply the result by 1/2. So multiply the result by 1/2. Getting?
Yeah, ma'am.
A number is subtracted from 1/2. 1/2 is subtracted from a number and the result is multiplied by 1/2. You will get this
1 by 8.
is equal to given 1/8.
Vaishnavi horse.
Okay, it is your now linear equation that we have made. Now we have to find out the value of that number, that is x. Okay, so now let's start now to solve. So this
Manager.
upper side.
Man.
So x minus 1/2 is equal to 1/2 remain as it is. This 2 will go into the multiplication. 2 by 1 or 2. We will get 2 4 the 8. Yes. So we have now x is equal to 1 by 4. Now this 1/2 will go into the another side. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
1/2. So now take the LCM. LCM would be 4 only. Here we have to multiply 4 1 the 4 and here we become what? 2 2 the 4. We have to multiply such a number that gives you the answer as 4 only. So 4 1 the 4 and 2 the 4. Now this number you have to multiply upper side. So 1 1 the
1 2 by 4.
plus 2 1 the 2.
2 by
Get answer x is equal to 3 upon 4. 2 plus 1 is equal
4.
to 3 upon 4. This is end of your sum, but at the last sentence you will write. So a number is 3 by 4. Understood?
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
What
Therefore a
problem?
number is 2 by 4.
Yes, ma'am. Or you can write a required
Yes, ma'am.
number. Or you can write a required number is 3 upon 4. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now moving.
Yes, ma'am.
Now moving with the second sum. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154. Perimeter means 2 into L plus B. Formula for perimeter of rectangular, right? 2 into L plus
Yes.
B. Its length is 2 more than twice the breadth. So, what we have to suppose? Suppose we have to take, suppose B is equal to X मीटर. ओके, ब्रेथ आपने एज्यूम कर लिया कि x मीटर है. तो व्हाट वुड बी योर लेंथ? लेंथ वुड बी व्हाट? 2 more than twice a breadth. 2 more than. So plus 2 will become 2 more. Twice a breadth. Twice means you be x से उसका डबल, मतलब become 2x plus 2 only.
Yeah.
Okay. Breadth we have assumed that it is x meter. So what would be the length? 2 more than twice a breadth. Understood, everyone?
Yeah.
मैम
Yes.
मैम
बोलो आगे. Speak ahead. समझ में आएगा. What
मैम
happened?
यहाँ लिखा है 2 more than twice its breadth.
Twice का
breadth
मतलब क्या
का
होता है?
डबल का
हाँ तो breadth हमने x assume की है ना. फिर become 2x मतलब twice breadth हुआ. जो भी उसकी वैल्यू होगी breadth की, it will be the twice. And 2 more than मतलब plus 2.
तो मैम 154 मीटर क्या है तो?
That we will do बेटा. But ये तो समझो पहले. That we are done with that part. Now we are moving with the perimeter of rectangle is equal to formula 2 into L plus B. What is given the perimeter? Perimeter is given as a 154. Let me write over here. 154 is equal to 2. What is the value of L? The value of L is equal to 2x plus 2. And what is the value of B? B is equal to our x meter. Now understood?
Yes ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Here therefore sign. First we are doing 154. These two will go in the denominator. Okay? Is equal to
Okay.
2x plus x is equal to कितना हुआ? 3x upon
3x.
so 3x plus 2. Okay, now go for the division. What will become? Seventy-seven.
Yes ma'am.
77.
77 is equal to 3x plus 2. Now change the side. Side change कर लीजिए आप. तो क्या हो जाएगा?
Okay.
3x.
3x is equal to
plus
77 minus 2.
So we can write 3x is equal to 77.
is equal to minus
7 minus 2.
Side.
Yes, ma'am.
So because 3x is equal to 75.
मैम
Yes,
फिर
Yes,
आएगा
ma'am.
x is equal to 75 divided by 3.
Is equal to 25.
Yes,
Yes.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. X is equal to 25.
X is equal to you got 25. So here I write it x is equal to you got 25. But we don't want to find out x. We have to find out b and L. We have to find out break
Yes.
the line. So b क्या होगा? 25 meter only because it is x only. And L क्या होगा?
Yes.
2x plus 2. So 2 into x. x की वैल्यू क्या है? 25 plus 2. So 25 to the
52.
52.
plus 2 is equal to 52 meters.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What will you write? So the length and breadth of a rectangle is 52 and 25 meter respectively.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope everyone has understood this.
मैम
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम जो x 20 is equal to 25 किया है उसके बाद जो आपने मेथड यूज की है वो आप फिर से रिपीट करोगे?
Who is that? Sachin is speaking or else?
Deepak, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Deepak is speaking.
Okay.
Deepak is
Okay. The value of b is equal to x only.
Yes.
So what is
Yes.
the value of x? Value 25. That
Yeah.
I have written over here. The value of b is equal to what? 2x plus 2.
Yes.
So b is equal to x. So b is equal to 25 meter. Nothing else.
Oh, yeah.
Understood everybody now?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Same two sums are given in a workbook exercise 2.2 page number 9. In a workbook that you can solve it yourself. Will you able to try or not?
Ma'am, we are
Yes, we have
And we
tried.
are trying.
Just
Yes,
try
ma'am.
the same question is that only digits are different.
Yes, ma'am.
Same thing is that everything is same, only digits are changed.
Ma'am,
okay, ma'am.
Okay, बोलिए.
We will try.
ma'am, but method are also same.
Yes, method is also same. Same method is
Now,
there.
ma'am, next which question?
Third question. Chalo, what is the third question? The base of an isosceles triangle. So first of all, you have to understand it is a triangle. Okay? And base is given, but this side is given 4/3. It is of A, B, and C. Isosceles means these two sides are equal, that is x. And the whole perimeter is given as a what? Perimeter is given as a 4 into 2/15. तो क्या हुआ? 15 for the 60, 60 plus 2, 62/50. Okay, this much meter is given to us. We just like let the equal size be x meter.
Yes, ma'am. X centimeter plus x centimeter plus b.
Yes, ma'am.
All the sides. Yes. Sum of
Yes,
all
ma'am.
is equal to perimeter. So we can write x
Perimeter.
plus x plus 4/3 is equal to what is the perimeter? 62/50.
150.
Understood this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Sum of three sides is equal to perimeter of isosceles triangle. Okay? X plus x. What will become? Here 2x
2x.
is what?
2x.
62/50. This will go to here side. Become minus
Yeah.
4/3.
Minus 4/3.
Now take
LCM.
LCM. LCM would be what?
15.
15.
Yes, ma'am.
15. 1 the and 3 5 the 15. Right? This
Yes.
number to multiply upper side. So what will become? 62 1 the 3
Minus
minus 4 5 the 20. Go for the subtraction. What would be the
42.
answer?
42.
42. 42.
42/15.
15.
Huh?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
15.
42 or 32?
42.
42.
42 will become. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 42/15 multiplied by 2. नीचे आएगा डिवीजन में.
30.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
221 का 221 का
Ma'am, 42 by
21/50. Again possible है
21 upon.
Yes. 7 3 7 5
and 3 5.
So answer will be 7/5 or you can write 5 1 and 2.
Yeah.
right?
Yes. One integer 2/5.
So at last, what you can write? The equal sides are 1 into 2/5 meter.
Yes, ma'am. Therefore, the length of equal sides is
Yes,
1
ma'am.
integer 2/5 centimeter.
Therefore, the length of the equal side will be 1 into 2/5. Understood this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now we are ending up this class over here only. Do the homework, whatever is given to you. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye everyone.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.